Hello everyone, and welcome back to this channel. Today, we're delving into a world where innovation meets defense. Military technologies that are on another level. From state-of-the-art weaponry to cutting-edge surveillance systems, the advancements in military tech are nothing short of astonishing. Buckle up as we embark on a journey through the high-tech landscapes that shape the future of warfare. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss out on our riveting explorations of the latest in military innovation. Now let's uncover the secrets behind military technologies that are truly on another level. Future tech, AI, and robotics. In the realm of military advancements, the future has arrived with the fusion of artificial intelligence and robotics. These game-changing technologies are reshaping the landscape of warfare, offering unprecedented capabilities and raising ethical questions. Imagine autonomous drones making split-second decisions on the battlefield, or AI algorithms predicting and adapting to enemy strategies in real time. Join us as we explore how these cutting-edge advancements are not only enhancing military capabilities, but also posing challenges that demand careful consideration. From autonomous ground vehicles to AI-assisted command centers, the marriage of AI and robotics is ushering in an era where the line between science fiction and military reality is becoming increasingly blurred. Stay tuned as we unravel the potential and pitfalls of future tech, AI, and robotics in the military domain. Advanced surveillance systems. Dive into the covert world of military intelligence as we explore advanced surveillance systems, the silent guardians of national security. From high-altitude reconnaissance satellites capturing unparalleled images from above to AI-driven monitoring networks analyzing data in real time, these systems redefine the art of gathering information. Join us on a journey through the technological marvels that enable military forces to have eyes and ears in every corner of the globe. From battlefield awareness to strategic decision-making, advanced surveillance systems play a pivotal role in modern warfare. However, the increasing capabilities also raise concerns about privacy and the fine line between surveillance for security and intrusion. Stay with us as we unveil the intricate web of these surveillance technologies, unveiling both their extraordinary capabilities and the ethical challenges they present. Cyber warfare. Welcome to the unseen battleground of modern warfare, cyber warfare, where nations engage in a digital chess match for supremacy. In this clandestine realm, the weapons are not missiles but lines of code, and the battleground is the virtual space that governs our connected world. Today, we'll delve into the intricacies of this evolving form of conflict, where state-sponsored hackers wield their skills to infiltrate, disrupt, and manipulate. Join us as we explore the tools and tactics employed in cyber warfare, from sophisticated malware to intricate phishing campaigns. The stakes are high in this invisible war, where the targets aren't just military, but can extend to critical infrastructure and even influence global geopolitics. As we navigate this digital frontier, we'll unravel the complexities and potential consequences of the silent war happening in the shadows. Stay tuned for a journey through the world of cyber warfare. Unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. Soar to new heights with unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, the futuristic game-changers in modern warfare. These high-tech drones are not just remote-control aircraft, they are revolutionizing military strategies and reconnaissance. From surveillance missions to precision strikes, UAVs are rewriting the playbook on aerial operations. In today's exploration, we'll uncover the capabilities and controversies surrounding these unmanned marvels. From their impact on civilian privacy to their indispensable role in gathering intelligence on the battlefield. Join us as we navigate the skies of innovation, where UAVs are proving to be essential assets with their agility, versatility, and ability to access areas that were once challenging or impossible for manned aircraft. Stay tuned for an in-depth look into the dynamic world of unmanned aerial vehicles. Advanced weaponry. Advanced weaponry, where innovation meets firepower. In today's exploration, we dive into a world where traditional weapons take a backseat to hypersonic missiles, laser-guided munitions, and electromagnetic railguns. These technological marvels are reshaping the dynamics of warfare, providing unparalleled speed, precision, and destructive power. Join us as we unravel the capabilities and implications of these advanced weapons, from their impact on defense strategies to the ethical considerations surrounding their use. From the electromagnetic pulse technology disrupting enemy electronics to the precision of smart munitions hitting their targets, advanced weaponry is not just a tool of war, but a testament to the ever-evolving nature of military technology. Stay tuned for a deep dive into the world of advanced weaponry. And there you have it, an in-depth exploration of military technologies that are truly on another level. If you found this journey through the cutting edge of defense tech fascinating, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more content on the latest in tech and military innovations.